Most gardeners build raised beds like a lasagna, one layer of cardboard, then compost, then soil, maybe mulch on top. It looks neat, but there's a problem. Those layers don't actually work together. Airflow stalls, microbes get trapped, and roots struggle to move between zones. The Amish figured this out long ago. Their method doesn't look fancy, but it's one of the fastest ways to build real, living humus. Today, I'll show you why their way works better, how it revives compacted beds, and how you can do it right at home. When you stack materials in perfect layers, cardboard, manure, compost, soil, they stay separate. Water pools at the borders, roots stall, and oxygen can't reach where it's needed most. The result is anaerobic pockets, slow breakdown, and eventually, compacted soil that repels water. It looks tidy, but it's not alive. Instead of stacking neat layers, they create what I call a blended matrix. Each material, compost, soil, straw, even manure, is mixed just enough to allow air and microbes to move freely. It's not a perfect mix. That loose, uneven texture mimics nature's forest floor. Every shovel of mixed soil becomes a microhabitat. Bacteria colonize compost, fungi spread through straw, and worms stitch the bed together. The result is a porous, oxygen-rich structure that breaks down faster and builds humus naturally. No heat piles, no smell, no waiting for perfect compost. In a living soil system, oxygen and microbes are the real builders. Microbes use carbon from straw as fuel and nitrogen from compost as food, feeding fungal hyphae that knit the soil together. As they work, they form glomalin, a sticky protein that binds particles into rich, black humus. Soil temperature stabilizes, moisture stays balanced, and plants get consistent access to nutrients. It's not about adding more. It's about letting nature mix the ingredients for you. Start loose. Break up compacted soil or subsoil first. Don't till, just loosen it with a fork. Add organic matter. Mix compost, straw, shredded leaves, or a little aged manure. Aim for a rough 60-40 mix of soil to organic matter. Blend lightly. You just want the materials touching, not uniform. Mulch and keep it moist. Cover with leaves, straw, or old hay. Wait 10-14 days. Let microbial life stabilize before planting. If you're rebuilding old raised beds, this approach revives soil that's been layered to death. I tested both methods, a traditional lasagna-style bed and the Amish mix. Within 3 weeks, the difference was night and day. The mixed bed stayed moist longer, crumbled easily, and was full of worms. The layered one looked dry and dense with roots struggling near the top. So next time you build a raised bed, skip the cake and make compost soup instead. Rich, airy, and alive. This is the Soil Doctor, and you've just learned one of the simplest secrets to true regenerative soil. Now go build a living bed, not a layered one. This is Dirt Decoded.